Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to reset passcode on crypto.com. For that, you need to come to your crypto.com app and log in into your account if you haven't already. Afterwards, tap on these three horizontal lines in the top left hand corner and scroll down and select settings. In the settings, select the option of security. Over here, you will be able to see the reset passcode option. So you need to tap on it. Then it will ask you to enter your passcode. So over here, you just have to simply enter your passcode. Then it will ask you to enter a new passcode. So here you just have to start typing the new passcode that you want to set for your crypto.com account. Let's say I set this particular passcode over here. So after that, you just have to simply confirm your passcode and you are done. You have successfully reset your passcode on crypto.com. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.